loading the Gmail. Here you can see the setting icon on the left top corner. Click on and select the settings. Click on it. You will move on the next page. Here you will get the number of tabs appear. You select a forwarding and pop-up or IMAP. Click on it. Here enable your IMAP and click on save changes. After by doing this, click on this one. Click on account. Here click it on security. Scroll down. Here you can see the less secure app access. Turn on access. Click on this one. Here just enable this allows less secure apps. Turn on this one. And sign out your Gmail account. Minimize your browser. After by done this, open the MS Outlook 2016. Here go with the file and select the account and settings. Click on it. Add or remove accounts. Here click on. Click on new. Here they will show two account types. You can enter this username on the Gmail account directly. They will automatically configure your Gmail account. But I am using a manual setup or additional server type. It will be helpful. Click on the pop-up or IMAP. Next button. Here enter your username and everything about Gmail account. Here they will show the account type. Just click IMAP. Don't select the pop-up 3. Here IMAP gmail.com and the outgoing mail server is smtt.gmail.com. Here enter your password. Drag to the last. Mail to keep offline. All. Here click on the more settings.
Remember the days where we are wild and free, basic gettings bright. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Send test time items is completed. Click on close. Finish it. Will use safebootSystem@gmail.com. It will load your mail Gmail.
Thank you for watching.